First thing you want to do when replacing any laptop screen is disconnect the power and unplug the battery. After that, flip it over and we can start taking the screen out. There's two plastic covers on the screws on the bottom here, so what you want to do is peel them off with a knife or a plastic tool. Once that's done, you'll see the two screws and you can take them out. I want to keep all the screws separate because they have to go back in the right places. Once that's done, you can get a plastic pry tool, a pick or something. Go to the edge of the screen and just find where the bezel splits and start unclipping it. Once you have the top done, you can pretty much use your fingers to unclip the rest. And then just take that off. Once that's done, you'll see the screws holding the screen in here, here, here and here. So the inside ones, you want to take them off. When that's done, you can just pull the screen forward. But don't pull it straight off because there's a connector at the back that we want to disconnect. There's a bit of tape over it, just carefully peel the tape up first. And then disconnect it. Once that's done, you can throw the old broken screen to the side and grab the new one. Once again, lay it flat down so it's easy to put the connector in. Slide it in nice and easy, don't force it. And then put the tape back down just to hold it in place. When you've that done, you can flip it over again to the same spot and replace the 4 screws you took out around the screen. They're the same size, so it doesn't really matter where you put them. When you got all the screws in, you want to pull the screen protector off before you put the bezel back on. Then what you want to do is replace the bezel. Put the bottom in first, click it until you hear it clip in place. And then replace the screws at the front of the screen. After that, put the battery back in, switch it on and see if it works.